today I'll show you how to design this type of logo. So you can see that the half of the text is in bit shaded with a white color, dim white color. So how can we get this effect? So first we have to write text. Let's assume I write TK Technofit and like this. So after this text you can mm, put a ellipse shape and give it a white color. Now here's the opacity. Give it opacity to somewhat near 80, 85 and select both the text along with the ellipse and go to this menu. Here you can see the transparency. Click the make mask and invert mask. Don't click on the clip, just take the invert mask and here you can create it your logo. It's simple and easy. Thanks for watching and subscribe.